So we're going to move our ground from that side over to the other side. And then move the camera stand. Like that. Now, finger in the way for the loss. Camera stand problems. We're working on a system. There. Kneel upon. Second glove. And on we go. Ah, that was not the most comfortable thing to kneel upon. Wires are starting to melt from the sheer heat of the almost went through the coating. Alright. A little more out of the way. Carry on. One of the things I hate most is filler welds, where you have to fill in some sort of a big gap. Let me see what I'm looking at here. Right there at the end, you see how there's a hole in the middle. You have to go in through, and I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that. Probably just do a U shape until, well, the crescent weld until I get it through. Cover it at least. And these sparks aren't the coolest of things either. Come on. And there is my crescent filler weld. See, the hole is all closed up now, nicely, actually. It's really the best looking part of the whole stupid weld. Now we get the slag hammer and bleed off the extra slag and brush it. Make it look shiny. Slag hammer and beat. Almost cut the wire.